usually go out this late at night to the place of the animals go.
We're in LA, me and Sarah. We're heading to the Kylie Cosmetics Pop-Up Shop.
Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the homies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me. I don't usually go out this late at night to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the homies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me.
Hey guys, so I'm going to show you what I got from the Kylie Cosmetics Pop-Up Shop in Westfield Century City. First of all, with every purchase you get this really cute bag, which I'm actually going to keep because you only get bags when you go to the pop-up shop. And it came with this pretty cool tissue paper, which is just red Solo cups because it's in honor of her 21st birthday. So I got 2 lip kits. And they're lip kits that I have not done swatches for you guys before. One of them was only limited edition and you only could get it through the pop-up shops now. You can't get it online, and that's Freedom. And the other one that I got is High Maintenance, which I believe you can buy online. I actually did have this shade before I started my YouTube channel, and I gave it to a friend and then I missed having it, so I decided to buy a new one. So I'm gonna be doing some swatches for you guys. So first up is Freedom. Now Freedom is a dark blue. So I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not obsessed with the formulation of this one. I can kind of see why it's been limited edition. It feels really patchy in a way, and it's uneven, even though I tried my best to be as even as possible. It's definitely not like other blues that I've experienced. Like Shady is super easy to put on. It doesn't feel like this, but I do really like this color, so maybe I can try to make it work a little bit more. Yeah, it also feels weird on my lips. It feels very sticky. So I'm not a huge fan of this formulation, but who knows, maybe they'll come out with a blue like this where they can reformulate it, because I can definitely see the evolution of the matte formula throughout the years, because I think that this came out like the first 4th of July that Kylie Cosmetics was in business, I think. Definitely not a fan of this formulation at all. So on to the next. Next up we have High Maintenance, which is a cool tone pink.
You should get to know me, kick it with the homies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me.
Yeah, so it is literally almost night and day how this formula feels compared to Freedom. Ironically enough, my lips do not feel free with the shade Freedom. But I really did miss high maintenance. I'm glad that I bought it when I was at the store, and it was definitely an experience, and I'm so glad that I made the time to go to her pop-up shop while I was in LA. And I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. What was your favorite part of the store? Did you guys have the same problem with Freedom too? I think that was probably one of the first times I ever said anything negative about any of her products. Usually I am very pleased, but this time I wasn't with Freedom. But I think I understand that that's why it's probably not on the website anymore. So if you guys found this video super informational, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a really good rest of your day. Bye.
To the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move.